Hey, it's Neha. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you haven't done so already, please do subscribe. Today I have a video where I am straightening my hair. I do use a ceramic straightener. It is from Royale Pro. I got this from Groupon actually, and regular price was about $250. And I got it on sale for $35. I've had this for about 3 years now actually, and it's been amazing. So the first thing that I do, I did wash my hair, and I like to air dry my hair just so that I don't overuse heat on my hair again. So first things first, let's brush it out. It's gonna get very poofy. Let's get this done. So I like to brush the bottoms first, and then you can go up to the top so that it doesn't hurt as much, and you're not bringing the top knots to the bottom with the undone bottom ones. Oh, and I got this brush from Avon actually, and I do believe it was about $6 or so, and it's really great, especially if you have very knotted hair. Okay, and now I like to part out my hair. Okay, and I divide it into two, and I like starting on the right first, so I grab a chunk of what I'm going to be straightening first, and I let it loose. The rest, tie it up. This side as well. Okay, perfect. Let's get straightening. And what I like to do is grab on to the ends of this side as well. There we go. And I like to start from the bottom to the top. I mean, most people do, most normal people do. Okay, grab the back. Down to the ends. Perfect. So now, as you can see, it's a little bit curly right here. So what I like to do is take this, perfect. I do this because, let's see here, because I have very thick hair, and if one little bit of my hair is curly, you can definitely see it. You can see the poof as well. So that's why I like it all straightened out. Well, thank you for watching. This is how I straighten my hair. Again, I do not use hair dryer on my hair. I only use the straightener I should say, and that's all I use. So there are some products that you can use as well. I did forget to mention, like the straightening balms, if you like, just to apply just a little bit, like I guess a nickel, or it depends I guess how thick your hair is, and it does I guess prevent it from drying up. There is something else as well, Smooth and Straight. I don't know if they still sell these anymore, from Mark Anthony, but I like using this actually because it does keep your hair, it does keep it straighter for longer, I should say, but not too much because I hate having my hair all greasy. But this is what it looks like. Just a little bit everywhere. And there you have it. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you do subscribe, like, and comment down below how you straighten your hair, or if you have a video that you would like to show how you straighten out your hair as well. Also, let me know like what kind of products do you guys use for hair straightening, or what straightener you guys use. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching.